Did you try to log in Google Play game apps and you fail? Here you go what you should do. Open your device settings app, tab apps, see all apps, scroll down and tap Google Play games, then tap cache, at final tap clear cache. Reopen the Play Games app and try to sign in again. If you try to sign in certain game and you failed, if you have this trouble signing in one specific game, you can contact the developer. How can you contact the developers? You can see the specific game setting from download and you will find all the information related to this developer.